Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use the merge feature to make your files organized. Start by opening LynxPDF. Click Open PDF in the top left corner, then choose the file you'd like to edit from the pop-up window and click Open. You can also drag and drop your file directly into LynxPDF. Next, click on Tools in the top toolbar, and then select Merge. In the Merge window, click the Add Files button in the top right corner to upload the files you want to combine. You can add multiple files at once, and then select page ranges, such as all pages, odd pages, even pages, or specific page numbers. Also, you can set the page size. Once you've finished your settings, click Merge. The merged file will appear in the folder you selected. You can also access the Merge tool from the home page. The settings are the same as in the top toolbar, so you can follow the same steps to merge your document. That's it for Merge tools. With LynxPDF, merging documents is effortless, quick, precise, and perfectly seamless. Give it a try, and we'll see you in the next video.